Hello students, I am Muhammad Asim. In last lecture, we started exercise 3A, book 3, 7th edition. The topic is inequality. We did till question number 2. Today, we are going to start some more questions of the same exercise. Let's have a look question number 3. What is question number 3 is, solve the inequality 7 plus 2x less than equals to 16 and illustrate the solution on a number line. Very easy question. First, we have to focus only this part. Solve the inequality and illustrate the solution on a number line. Take the given inequality 7 plus 2x less than equals to 16. What I told you in last lecture that we always solve the inequality just like we solve the equation. So move this 7 on other side, 2x, this 7 becomes minus 7, 2x, 16 minus 7 is what? 9, and x less than equals to, this 2 is multiply over here, this should divide on other side. So 9 over 2 can be write as 4.5 or 4 whole 1 upon 2. Both are same. If you write this or you write this, no issue. Answer is acceptable. The second one is, we have solved x is less than equals to 4.5, and now illustrate the solution on a number line. Very easy number line. The middle point of the straight line is 0 in a number line. The right side numbers are positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Student, I am making my number line by using marker, board marker, but I advise you to draw a number line with the help of pencil and ruler so that the number line is clearly shown, and this interval from this 0 to 1, this gap should be as same as possible. Okay, the left side of 0 is minus numbers. What we have to show? We have to show 4.5. Where is 4.5? 4.5 is the midpoint of 4 and 5. This is 4.5. And now, because there is less than and equal to sign, so we have to make just above 4.5 an filled circle, dark circle. Less than equals to means the direction of the arrow should be left side. So this is our number line. How long this arrow is, no matter. If you draw a small arrow or if you draw a very large arrow, no matter. But matter, what matter? Direction is matter. If you write the head of the arrow on this side, the number line consider wrong. Okay. Now, so solve the inequality we have solved, and illustrate the solution on our number line. We have show the solution on a number line. Part 1. If x is an integer, what is integer? Integers are the whole positive and negative numbers. Number line means all integers. 0 is the middle number, the right sides are the positive numbers, positive integers, and the left side are the negative integers. Okay. So if x is an integer means negative whole number or positive whole number, write down the largest possible value of x that satisfy the inequality. Very easy. Take the solution. This is our solution. X is less than equals to 4.5. Less than equals to 4.5 means 4.5 is included because of the equal sign, but the requirement is write down the largest possible value of x, where x is the integer. So what is the value of x? 4.5 or less means 4.5 less, 4.5 equal to means include 4.5 or 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 or 0 or -1 and so on. But 4.5 is not an integer, so we will not include in this particular case. So what is the largest number among all these numbers? Obviously 4. So x is equals to 4. This is the answer. What was the question? If x is an integer, write down the largest possible value of x. So the largest possible value of x for this inequality is 4. This is our answer. Come to part 2. Part 2 is, given that x is a perfect square. Perfect square means there are so many numbers, perfect square numbers, like 1, like 4, like 9, like 16, like 25, like 36, like 49 and so on. Why we call these numbers are perfect square numbers? Sorry, because the square root of all these numbers are a whole number. Check this. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 36 is 6, square root of 49 is 7 and so on. Therefore, these numbers are called a square number. But if I ask you 3 is a square number? Absolutely no. Why? Because the square root of 3 is not a whole number. The answer will be in decimal. So 3 is not a square number. Now, question is given that x is a perfect square. Find the largest possible value of x. So see this, use this list. X is less than equals to 4.5 means integers are 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1 and so on. Check how many perfect square number in this number line. 4 is the perfect square number, yes. 3 is not, 2 is not, 1 is yes, 0 is yes, -1 is not and so on. But the requirement is to write the largest possible value of x. Obviously the largest possible value of x is 4. Therefore x is equals to 4 is the answer of part 2. Part 1 answer is 4 and part 2 answer is 4 as well. I hope you understand question number 3. This is the word problem of inequality. Now come to word problem of question number 4. What is question number 4 is? See carefully. This is question number 4. Again the same requirement solves the inequality. First write 3 minus 4x greater than 3x minus 18. Collect all x aside and all constants aside. This is 3. This is minus 18. Shift it on this side is 18. This is minus 4x becomes 4x. 18 plus 3 is 21. 3 plus 4 is 7x. This 7 is multiply over here. This should divide on other side 21 upon 7x. 7 3s are 21. So how to read this? 3 is greater than x, or you can read from right side x is less than 3. So if you write or x is less than 3, this is good way. Good way means if you write always x on left hand side and a number on right hand side, these two inequalities are 100% same. But this is more understandable than this. This is 3 greater than x, but if you read x is less than 3, is more good, although both are same. Okay. What is the question? Solve the inequality and illustrate the solution on a number line. Okay. Take the number line. The middle number is 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2 and so on. Okay. Now answer is x is less than 3. In this case there is no equal sign, So we have to draw an empty circle. Less than means towards left hand side. So this is the number line of this question. Okay. Next part number 1. If x is a prime number, what is a prime number? You know, prime numbers are those numbers which can divide by itself or 1. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. These are all prime numbers because these numbers cannot be divided by other number. Okay. So if x is a prime number, write down the possible value of x, possible values of x that satisfy the inequality. So what is our answer? Our answer is x less than 3. X less than 3 means 2, 1, 0 and minus 1, minus 2 and so on. What is the requirement? The requirement is write down the possible value of x that satisfies the inequality. So our possible value is 2 because 2 is the prime number and x is a prime number in this question. Therefore 2 is the answer. I hope you understand. Okay, come to part 2. What is part 2? Does x is equals to 0 satisfies the inequality? Explain your answer. It's very easy. See over here, this part 2. Our answer is x is less than 3. So given that in this question x is equals to 0, if we put 0 over here, the mathematical sentence is 0 less than 3. So if I ask you, is 0 is less than 3? Yes, 100%. Because this is 0, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. All numbers which are right side on 0 are always greater than 0. And all numbers which are left side of 0 are all less than 0 number. Okay. So yes, does x is equals to 0 satisfy the inequality? Yes. Okay. So this is our answer. And this is the answer of part 1 because x is a prime number. So only one prime number is this and all numbers are after the minus 2 and minus 3. So these are the numbers, only one number of x which is prime number in the inequality. I hope you understand. This is question number 4. Come to question number 5. Question number 5 is solve each of the following inequalities illustrate each solution on a number line. Part A, minus 5x less than 25. Part B, minus 12x greater than equals to 138. Part C, minus y less than equals to minus 7. D, minus 9y greater than minus 35. E 4 into P plus 1 less than minus 3 into P minus 4 and last part F is 6 minus 1 minus 2Q greater than equals to 3 5Q minus 2. So this is question number 5. Total 5 parts in this question and I have written all parts. Now see the solution of one by one. Solution. Part A. Minus 5x less than 25. Students, we have already learned the property of inequality. If we multiply or if we divide a negative number, negative same number on both sides, the sign of inequality is always changed. So if I divide minus 5x by minus 5, this sign, this less than sign should be greater. I hope you understand. Okay. So minus 5 cancel by minus 5, the answer is x greater than, more clear, 5 5s are 25, so the answer is minus 5. You always remember the negative number property of inequality. How to show in a number line is very easy. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is empty circle because there is no equal sign, and greater means right side of minus 5, and you can write 1, 2, 3 and so on, but focus on the given solution. I hope you understand. The answer x is greater than minus 5. Come to part B. What is part B? Minus 12x greater than equals to 138. Again, we need to divide from the negative number. So minus 12x, divide both sides by minus 12. Minus 12 cancel to minus 12, and because we divide both sides by a negative number, so the sign of inequality should be flipped. Here x less than equals to, cancel 12 and 138, 2 6 2 9 2 6 minus 69 upon 6. Moreover, if I cancel this, 3 2 3 3 3 2 6 minus 23 upon 2, or you can write in the form of mixed number minus 11 whole 1 upon 2, or in the form of decimal minus 11.5. So all numbers will be, all answers will be acceptable if you write minus 23 upon 2, or if you write minus 11 whole 1 upon 2, or if you write minus 11.5. Now how to show in a number line? Because this is a big number as compared to 2 and 3. This is 11.5. So we need 5, 10, 15, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. So where our answer minus 11.5 lies just after minus 10. Actually not exact values required. So this is minus 11.5. And there is less than equals to sign. So we should draw a filled circle, and less than means left hand side. The arrow should be on left hand side. So this is our answer. I hope you understand. Yes. Come to part C. Excuse me. What is part C is minus y less than equals to minus 7. Again, this is minus y and we want to shift this minus sign on this side. So we must divide by minus 1 on both sides. Therefore, this sign of inequality should be changed. Minus cancel to minus, y greater than equals to minus cancel to minus. Answer is 7. What is the number line? 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 2, minus 4. The answer is 7. Where is 7? Exactly middle of the 6 and 8. Now, there is the greater sign. So, we should draw a filled circle because there is greater than n equal sign and the right hand side direction of arrow because of greater than. I hope you understand. Next part. What is next part? D. D is minus 9y minus 35, greater than minus 35. Again, we will divide by minus 9 on both sides. And this greater than sign should flip to the left hand. Less than sign. Minus 9 cancel by minus 9. Y. Minus cancel to minus. Answer is 35 upon 9. Or you can write in the form of mixed number. 9 2s are 30, 9 4s are 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27 and 27 plus 8 upon 9. 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 8 is 35. Or you can write in the form of decimal number. What is the answer of 35 upon 9? 3.888, round off to 3.9. All answer will be acceptable. And how to draw a number line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. No need to write same number 1, 2, 3, 4 on 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Focus on the answer only. This is 3, this is 4 and this is 3.9. So 3.9 just before 4. Less than means an empty circle because there is no equal sign. I hope you understand. This is the answer of part D. Now come to part E. What is part A is 4 p plus 1 less than minus 3 p minus 4. First multiply 4 by the bracket 4 into p, 4p, 4 1s are 4, minus 3 into p, minus 3p, minus minus plus 3 4s are 12. Collect all p aside in one side. This is minus 3p becomes plus 3p on this side and this is 4 becomes minus 4 on this side. 4 plus 3 is 7p. 12 minus 4 is 8 or p is less than 8 upon 7. If you write this answer acceptable or 1 whole 7 1s are 7 plus 1. 1 whole 1 upon 7 1 whole 1 upon 7. Or if you want to write the answer in decimal form, 8 over 7 will be 1.1428. Okay, so this is the answer. How to draw a number line? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. So where our answer is lies? 1.14. 1.14 is just after 1. Okay, but if you want to write more accurate number line, you can take the interval is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and so on. So it's up to you which number line you feel comfortable. Okay, this is less than, so we should draw an empty circle because there is no equal sign and the direction of the arrow on left hand side. This is part E. Now come to part F. What is part F is, six minus 1 minus 2q greater than equals to 3 5q minus 2. Very easy. First 6, apply this minus sign on the bracket, minus plus minus 1 minus minus plus 2q greater than equals to 3, 5 is the 15q, 3 2 is the 6. Collect all q aside. 6 minus 1 is 5. Shift this minus 6 on this side, plus 6. Shift this 2q on other side, it will be minus 2q. 5 plus 6 is 11. 15 minus 2 is 13q. Then this 13 is multiply over here, this should divide on other side. You can write 11 upon 13 greater than equals to q, or more comfortably q is less than equals to 11 upon 13. This is more accurate. This is also accurate, but because we always write a variable on left hand side, therefore this is good. So 11 upon 13, or you can write 11 upon 13 is what? 0.84. 0.84 round off to 0.8. How to draw a number line? It's very easy. The middle number is 0. 0.8 you can take 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, or minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.3 and so on. 0.8 greater than equals to means draw a filled circle, less than equals to means the arrow should be on left hand side. So student, this is question number 5. We have done all parts of question number 5 and I hope you completely understand this question. Some more questions still left in this exercise which we will do in next lecture. Until, kindly wait for next lecture and don't remember to subscribe my channel and don't remember to share my videos and don't remember to like my videos. Okay students, see you in next class.